masasabi niyo sa susunod yung kalaban?
Well, like, not so hard, you know, and we are preparing for this plan, you know, and
Preparing for what? Preparing for what?
for this plan because, you know, we're having hard opponent like Antonio Madrid and well, we're not good. We have a little days Ukraine.
Eh, kumusta yung, yung huling laban ninyo? Mahirap ba o ano? Kaya-kaya? Madali lang?
Hard, but, you know, when you are in God, there's nothing impossible.
So, sa susunod na laban, sino makasusunod na kalaban ninyo?
I think Mike Tyson.
Mike Tyson. Hinagat ng tenga.
Yeah. I have my classmates that fought Mike Tyson. His ear was, you know, do you know Robbie? They are example of biting Mike Tyson. Robbie, you know.
Oh. Talaga lang ha. Eh, sino naman yung kasama mo?
That's Nonito Donaire.
Donaire. Mr. Donaire. Si Mr. Donaire ito.
Well,
Mr. Donaire, sino huling yung nakalaban?
si Pacquiao.
Si Pacquiao. Ano nangyari kay Pacquiao?
Wala, nalulunod po ako.
Basag-basag. Sino ang sunod na kalaban mo?
Si ano, Mayweather.
Ano?
Pakalaban si Mayweather. Akin yun eh. Akin yung Tyson. Ayun.